Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver features. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are now in negative MACD territory and nearing oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and we did see it diverge and remaining near oversold levels with the RSI. As for the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're pretty close to oversold conditions with the RSI. As of now, for support, I do see the 150-day moving average, this red line, acting as our temporary support at the price of $22.15, as that coincided with the lows back in September 24th. And as for resistance, if we were to move up higher, that will be where we have the 100-day moving average, this orange line, which acted as support in the past as indicated back in November 4th, and since we're below support, that now acts as our resistance, and that is around the price of $24.92. If we were to move up higher to test resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 9.4%, and to test support, that is around 2.9%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV. So my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $20.43, which is this range right here, and that coincides with the 150-day moving average. The sell target is at $21.42 and my stop loss is at $20.06. However, if I were to open a short entry, my price is at $21.67, and that is this range here. The sell target is at $20.80 and my stop loss is at $22.06. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 20% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 3%. Further extreme case to the upside, 40% chance to climb between 3% to 6%. As for the downside, we have a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.